Top war vet killed in hit-and-run crash. The 30th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent. Mutare, a prominent war veteran, Amos Chinyamudingira, 63, has died after being struck in a hit-and-run accident at the 9 Miles area along the Mutare, Masvingo Road. Confirming the tragedy, his niece, NSRumbidzai Chinyamudingira, said the family was devastated by the sudden loss. She revealed that her uncle was fatally injured while waiting for transport to travel to Mutare, where he intended to collect his war veterans' allowances. We were informed this morning that he had been killed in a hit-and-run incident at the 9 Miles bus stop. At the time, he was waiting for transport to travel to Mutare to collect his war veterans' allowances, Ms. Chinyamudingira said. She added that the family was still awaiting details from the authorities. We understand that his body was found lying by the roadside, but we are yet to receive a full report from the police, she said. Police are expected to issue an official statement as investigations into the fatal crash continue.